Hi everyone, welcome to my channel once again. We're gonna jump right into the tutorial. I'm just using my Clinique gel moisturizer to prep my face before putting in our primer. Let it cool down before we do. We're gonna put in the Optical Illusion Primer by Urban Decay. It's not the best in my opinion. I think I mentioned that before, but I really like the consistency, how it feels on my face. So next I have the Estee Lauder foundation. I've had it for like ever now, and yeah, I still like it. But anyways, we're gonna blend that in with my Real Techniques. I can never say it. I'm hating it as I'm using it right now. I just feel like I need to be finding another one that's not as expensive or like as the beauty blender. So as you see right now, I'm using another Real Technique buffing brush just to like spread it around a little bit more because the sponge, and it's not even old, it's just like super dense now. I feel like maybe it changed or something from what it used to be. But anyway, I'm just trying to blend everything out evenly. And it is damped. Right now I had to go with another layer just to make it look more even. I wasn't feeling it, so I needed to get back a little bit more on it. And now I look pale as fuck. Okay, hahaha. I love this Fit Mistake. I think it's a concealer, but I'm using it as a, a little bronzer slash contouring. They do blend really well. I'm just having a really bad time with this sponge. Sorry for not showing it here, but I am using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus, I believe it's called, right under the eye. Honestly, I need to get some new makeup, like, I have to buy it all myself, and right now, there's not enough money to spend on fun makeup like the kind that I want. So yeah, I'm very limited. I'm gonna be using a little bit of those two colors. They're from the Shade and Light palette from the Kat Von D. I've had this for over a year now, I think, and I don't use it each time that I do my makeup, so I think that's why it's lasted me so long. I mean, it was freaking expensive, so better last. I was looking super pale, so I had to bring it down my neck too, especially since I'm wearing that sweater. It kind of like shows, my skin and, cover that. Honestly, e.l.f. brushes, I love them. They're freaking awesome. And the Real Technique. And I have some Morphe ones. And I think that's the only three brands that I have. And then the other ones, I can't really tell you what they are because they're just randoms. I never told you which powder I was using, by the way. It's just the Maybelline Shine Free powder in just the lightest shade that they have. This is the L'Oreal Brow Pencil. It's the thick one that comes with like the triangular tip. I can get away with it because I have super thick brows and, I don't need so much precision. So just a few swipes and I'm good to go. I think Anastasia Beverly Hills came up with one like that and then everybody kind of went along with it. You know how brands do. No shade. I'm using the Sam Wet n Wild concealer to carve out my brows a little bit. Since I do go ham with it, like, Same Shade and Light palette, contour palette to tone up my nose a little bit. I don't ever do this really all that much. I guess only for the camera. And it does help a lot. it really, when I do contour my nose, I do notice a difference each time I look in the mirror. I'm like, oh my god, what's going on? Why do I look so different? Wow. I love this little duo. I'm not using the bronzer for it right now. I'm just using the blush because I love how it has that little glitter particles. It makes you look so, you know, radiant and glowy since my whole face is always matte. I do have super oily skin, so, you know. Anyway, here, this is another thing that I've had forever, these little pots. They're the Tattoo Maybelline cream shadows. So they're pretty dry right now. I kind of had to like really dig in and like, you know, get my brush in there, and then I went along with the finger too. I have no idea. I think a friend might have given me this loose powder, eyeshadow powder, I mean, but it's like so freaking gorge. Every time I see it, I forget that I have it. Literally layer this up and it just looks awesome, and I didn't deal with a lot of fallout either, so I'm gonna Google that brand and see if they have maybe other colors for them. I think it was called Kaylin or something. I'm just putting a darker eyeshadow from MAC on the bottom line, on the waterline, and on the corners of the eye to give them a little more depth. And you know, my basic ass eyeliner, liquid liner. I always use this one. Well, now, but anyway, it's not that great. I feel like it could be more black, but yeah, it's not as dark as I would like. Like I used to use the NYC liner, but I don't know. I think that's an online thing now, and I'm too lazy to shop online. I'd rather, yeah, that's not laziness. Never mind. I got a little sample of this mascara. I swear I've used it before and it wasn't that great. Like it didn't make an impression on me at all, but I got it as a gift in a little, you know, eyeshadow kit. And I was like, oh my gosh, sure, I'll use it. And I really liked it. Yeah, it looks good. These are some, I believe, eyeliner, like the faux mink lashes that I got from Walgreens. Yeah, sorry I lost the package, but I think they look just fine. I'm not a super big eyelash person, honestly. I was trying to, you know, pick out a color. I didn't know what would go with this look, so I just went with like a nude lip liner from NYX. And then I chose the ColourPop metallic lip shades, the ones that, you know, that came out, I think, last holidays around the same time where Kylie Jenner Cosmetics or Kylie Cosmetics came out with the metallic range of colors that everybody was loving. And then ColourPop kind of was like, hey guys, you know, I have 5 shades here. And then, yeah, everybody was talking about them. And I think Kathleen Lights was the one that was like, okay, I'll buy it. She spoke about him, and I was like, okay, I'm gonna buy it. An oldie but a goodie, the soft and gentle. I think my sister might have bought this for me. Thank you. It was a long time ago, but you know, still works. Same old. And wow, I guess we're done here. Well, thank you so much for watching. Oh wait, we're not? Are we putting, okay, oh wait, I'm so confused right now. My editing skills, wow. Anyway, if you like this look, wow, I'm still putting it on. All right, I'm just gonna go, guys. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time.